Pedro is going. Pedro? Yeah, man, go for it. There he is. Apparently he likes Michael Jackson.
My ass is recording.
Yeah. Oh, God. He's like a monkey, literally.
No.
You're done.
I'm scared to get off.
Pedro, you got it, man. Just don't get off now. Just now, hop off now.